This is a new film. We're going to be learning about the 1630. The 1630 was built for the Frisco Railroad for freight service, going to different places carrying freight until replaced by the new diesel locomotives.
The St. Louis to San Francisco Railway 1630 is a preserved decapod-type steam locomotive owned and operated by the Illinois Railway Museum in Union, Illinois.
This is the sound of the bell. This is one kind of horn that it has. This is a different kind of horn. This trip is a birthday. It's for someone's birthday. This is an hour sound. The locomotive was being restored for freight service at the Illinois Railroad Museum. After a while, the train was ready and ran back on steam. You can see this the same picture of it going on the freight service at the Illinois Railroad Museum. Then it was getting restored again. If you see, it's kind of brown, and then was refixed and went back into service for passenger service at the Illinois Railroad Museum, going from the beginning of the line to the end of the line. It keeps going for the rest of the years, and it's still their locomotive today. The locomotive is going to stay and would always be a part of the Illinois Railroad Museum. Today it sits quiet and idle at the Illinois Railroad Museum, where it stands and will still do trips through the coast or through the Illinois Railroad Museum trackage. Well, that was all my information I got. Bye.